kinder rotations this week. This one's gonna be for backwards roll. The goal is that you don't have to spot the backwards rolls so much. So we're gonna have an option to sit on the floor and learn how to get our hips up. They're gonna sit right about in between these two mats. If they want, they can put a ball in between their legs or their knees to hold it. If you have to help them, don't have them do it with it, so I'll do it with it just for fun. Okay, they're gonna keep their hands on the floor. They're gonna push from here with their toes. Get your hips up towards the mat. So ideally, we do about right here. Hips up, touch, and then back down. Now if they can do that really well, just flip this open, and then let them do their backwards roll down the mat. But a lot of them need to get their hips up, so then you don't have to spot it so much. Should teach them how to get their hips and their knees up to the mat. This one is gonna be just a little 4-string, little busy station, so their hands are gonna go on the hands. They're gonna walk to the yellow, and then walk to the orange. They can do both hands, whatever the little hearts want to. Over here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a yellow star right here. Okay, so this is gonna be for their L stands, L kicks. What you're gonna have them do is start with their foot on the edge. If they're a little taller, they can start with it on the black. I'm gonna start with my foot right here at the very end, tell them as close as they can. They're gonna do their L stand, and then try to kick the yellow star. So if they're doing it right, they're gonna kind of kick the yellow star in between the mats, and that'll make them really proud. Forward rolls, same as the other classes. We're gonna work on keeping our hands in front. So we're gonna have our band, we're gonna roll, and we're gonna stand, not letting go of our band. This will probably be your main spotting station, whichever side they go. I've covered up the back foot because what we wanna focus on is getting their lunge bigger. So they will be out here, whichever side they go. Cartwheel, same way they land, bigger lunge. So we're trying to get those feet apart. I put this, if you want to put it on their back foot. So I'm left. This is easier than tying the scarf. Put it on their back foot so that when you spot them, they know they're going to look for that in the front. And it stays on really well. And then on this one, we have another core strength. They're going to hold the bean bags. We're going to put our toes under. You're not going to have them go over their head. They're just going to lay down. Put their arms by their side. Lift up. Drop the bean bags on the dots. Grab them. Lay back down. Up. Drop. Grab. Down. And that is